Additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, is one of the most innovative technologies of our time. Its ability to create objects layer by layer allows for unprecedented flexibility in design and manufacturing. With 3D printing, we can create objects with complex geometries and internal structures that were once impossible to make. This technology is transforming industries from healthcare to aerospace and is enabling new forms of product customization and personalization. 3D printing has brought rapid prototyping to the masses at an affordable price, allowing hobbyists to quickly design and produce their creations as only corporations once could, creating an entirely new generation of inventors and creators who can quickly innovate and change the status quo. While this new technology continues to shape the future, the new benefits do come at a price. The short of it, 3D printing produces a lot of waste. Waste that ends up in our landfills and oceans. Waste that is not necessary in the first place. Every time we print an object, we create a little waste. This waste comes from the initialization process from the 3D printer, and then the support material needed to build the object that is eventually broken off and discarded. Even more waste is produced when a print inevitably fails or printed parts become obsolete. In fact, approximately 30% of each filament spool turns into garbage. In 2019, it was estimated that hobbyists themselves produced around 6 million kilograms of thermoplastic waste, and 3D printing has only continued to grow since then. Yet, this plastic does not need to be thrown away. One of the most popular 3D printer types, fused deposition modeling, better known as FDM, primarily utilizes thermoplastics as filament. This type of plastic can be remelted and formed into any shape you desire, saving money and the environment. To make this recycling process easy for everyone, we would like to introduce Sustain. Sustain is smart utilization of sustainable techniques and additive innovations. Sustain is the world's first affordable, at-home filament recycler. It allows you to load your pulverized discarded filament into the unit where it will be melted and extruded before being automatically spooled into a brand new roll of filament ready for use. Sustain is built on an open source platform so that you, the user, can have maximum control over the product and the resulting filament. Most of the structural components can be 3D printed at home with your very own 3D printer, allowing for unlimited customization and creativity. The user-friendly display provides total control over the system, making changes to your specific setup a breeze. Sustain is not only environmentally friendly, but economical too. With sustained use of Sustain, you will begin to save money on filament as you are no longer letting any go to waste. And this is not to mention the fun you can have building, customizing, and optimizing your setup. Sustain. Sustainable, economical, fun.